Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Mikhail here and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into your Uber account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Uber application. Once you open up, from here tap on Get Started. Then you will land on this interface. Now from the very top, you have to enter your mobile number that you have used while signing up on Uber, or else you can also continue with your Google account, your Facebook account, or with your email. Here I will continue with my mobile number, and once you type in your number, tap on continue. Here you can simply log in with the 4-digit code sent to your WhatsApp at your number, or else you can also log in with your password or with your email as well. Here I will go with my password and then type in your password, and after that tap on next button, and with that you will get logged into your Uber account. So this is how you can log into your Uber account. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like the video and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.